Dear NEET student, let's see the unit 4 of the structural of atom. Structure of atom. Before this unit, we completed there is a 3 unit. Okay. So the structure of atom is very very easy topic, and some problematic question is they have asking in the NEET and JEE level. Actually, the atom is first introduced. There is a Dalton. Okay, there is actually exactly named the John Dalton. This Dalton proposed for the first the atom of the introduction some important points. This John Dalton he proposed that all matters all matter are composed of smallest indivisible particle. Okay, all matters composed of smallest indivisible particle. Okay, particle is called for atom. Okay, so all matters composed of smallest indivisible particle, that's nothing but atom. Like that the John Dalton they have proposed. This time there no that much of experimental development, so that's why this John Dalton it's a failure, this theory, because they cannot explain the experimental result as well as subatomic particles and the isotopes, etc. So those points cannot be explained in the John Dalton atomic theory. For that reason, this John Dalton theory it's a failure. Once again, for that time, the experiment development that much level is not possible. Okay, so that's why this theory is a failure. But they have initially introduced the atom of that futures, the first the John Dalton. Okay. So let's we go to that. The atom of it's a subatomic particle. Okay, it's subatomic particle. The subatomic particles. What are the subatomic particles? First case is a electron. So this electron is a simple E. Okay, so it's a charge as a negative charge. It's a charge as a negative charge. And second case as a proton. Okay, proton. This symbol is representing small p is a charge as a positive charge. Okay, and third case as a neutron. Here is representing symbol as small n. It's a neutral. Neutral means equal of positive and negative. It's a neutral, chargeless particle in that atomic particle. Okay, chargeless particle in the atom. Okay, so this proton and neutron are presented as a nucleus. Okay, but this electron are presented as a orbit. Okay, so this nucleus and orbit we will see for upcoming theory. And also this electron they have discovered initially J.J. Thomson. Okay, so J.J. Thomson they have discovered, and that proton is discovered by Goldstein. Okay, it's a Goldstein they have discovered, and neutron is a James Chadwick, or there is a Chadwick or discovered initially. So this electron, it's a mass almost there is a 0.000548 atomic mass unit, and that proton is a mass around 1.0075 atomic mass unit, and that's neutron of its mass 1.0089 atomic mass unit. So from this data, this neutron it is a much more is a mass, but very very lesser for this mass of electron. Okay, this charge value, actually the electron of its charge value minus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Okay, and the proton of its charge value is a plus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 value, and it's a coulomb unit. And also there is a neutron of charge. Yes, neutron is a chargeless. Okay, so just the charge is vary in the sign of it's a value of electron and proton. That's all. And also that some alpha particle and beta particle and gamma rays is there. It's also is a very very important. For example, the alpha particle and beta particle, and there is a gamma particle. For this alpha, beta, gamma, here this alpha means it's considered as a helium nucleus, and a beta particle means it's considered as electrons, and gamma particles is a high energy of the radiation. Okay, it's considered as a radiations. Okay, so the next there is a the charge of the alpha particle, that's 2 plus unit. Okay, and there's a beta particle as minus 1 unit, there's a gamma particle as a 0 charge. So this alpha particle as a there is a velocity is very less, and this beta particle is comparatively a little bit high, gamma particle is very very high, because the mass is decreases alpha to gamma, mass decreases, its a velocity of light speed increases. Okay, so that's why the power of the penetrating there is a, the alpha particle is very small, but the beta particle is a very very high. Okay, so these two alpha and beta are charged species, that's why these two alpha and beta are deflected by magnetic and electric field, but in the case of gamma particle they are not deflected in the magnetic field. Okay. Okay, so thank you to all. If you like in this video, you can subscribe and share your friends. We will see that next video, the J.J. Thomson and Rutherford model, that is upcoming atomic structure subtopic. Okay, thank you to all.